Hi students, welcome to NIRS Education. So we are discussing about the lesson natural resources. So in the previous sessions already we have seen the two different types of the natural resources, that is air as well as the water. So let's move towards the one more very important and the very needed natural resource, that is called the soil. So soil is the portion of the earth's surface. So it consists the disintegrated rocks and the decaying organic material. So the rocks and the decaying organic materials. So it provides the support for many plants as well as the animals. So on the earth's surface, the thickness of the soil maybe ranges from some millimeters to 3 to 4 meters also. Some millimeters to some meters, like 3 to 4 meters. So the terrestrial as well as the aquatic plants completely depends on the soil and water bed. So respectively for their nutrients and water supply as well as for the anchorage. For the purpose of nutrients, water supply and for the anchorage, so the plants are completely depending on the soil and water bed. So already in the 7th as well as in the 6th class we have seen that how the formation of this soil takes place, what is the texture, how it is going to form, and what is the process called, that we have already discussed. So let's recall that one once again here. So the soil is formed from the rocks, so by the process of the weathering as well as the pedogenesis. So the formation of soil takes place by the two different processes, that is the weathering and the pedogenesis. So already we know that the weathering means breakdown of the bigger rocks into the smaller mineral particles. So it occurs by the three different processes, that is by physical weathering, by the chemical weathering, or it may be by the biological weathering. Physical weathering, chemical weathering, and also by the biological weathering. The pedogenesis is the next process, that means the development of the soil. Pedogenesis means the development of soil. So this process actually concludes the decomposition by the bacteria and fungi. During the organic materials are broken down, leading to humification as well as the mineralization. Pedogenesis is the process that means or that concludes the materials which are going to broken down, the organic things or the organic materials that are going to break down into the smaller particles for the purpose of humification and mineralization. By the help of the organisms such as nematodes, earthworms, arthropods, so those are called detritivores. Detritivores means the organisms which are living in the soil. mites, ants, so millipedae. So these are all comes under the group of detritivores. Detritivores means the organisms which are living in the soil and they consume the dead and decaying materials which are present in the soil. So this all process is coming under the process of pedogenesis. So the soil profile, composition of soil, that already we have seen. The gravel, the sand, the silt, the clay, there are many types of soils are there. So depending upon the types of the particles which are present in the soil, that is going to distinguish either it is gravel or it is sand or it is silt or it may be the clay. So these are all going to give us the complete texture that can conclude the variety of soils. So that we can see here: gravel, sand, silt, clay. So these are the different types of particles together. They made the one exact texture of one kind of the soil. So it contains the larger particles, it contains the medium kind of the particles, so smaller one, and the dusty particles. So depending upon the size of the particles which are present in the soil, that will conclude either it is gravel, sand, silt, or it may be the clay. Okay, so this is about the highlight point of the soil. In detail, the types of soils and its importance that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.